right, special thanks to this company for sending us their AirTags men's wallet. Let's see here, AirTag wallet brown. Special thanks to this company for sending this to us. Let's open it up. Oh wow, very nice. Dang, a screen protector? Customers first. So it's a screen protector for the AirTag. Wow, very nice. Here's the wallet. Wow, very nice leather feel to it. So you've got RFID protected for your credit cards, and you can fit your ID here, of course. Whatever here, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, really 7, 8, 9. You can fit 10 credit cards in here, at least. And then, of course, money with a divider for those of you who still carry cash. The best part of this wallet is it smells amazing. Oh, another little secret compartment there. But you can fit your AirTag in here. And by being able to put your AirTag in here, you could always find your wallet. So again, special thanks to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.